Yo, welcome back again. I'm going to show you guys today how to make money. And I'm going to show you guys how to catch a nice entry, where to enter from, and where you should be targeting. So now, I'm going to show you guys Euro, GBP USD, and gold. The reason they look different to the normal GBP USD and the Euro USD and gold, because this three here is the feature gold, feature GBP, and the feature also Euro. So now I'm going to show you guys best of the best that nobody ever showed you before into YouTube. And I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm not saying I am rich. I'm just saying I'm living. So now, let me show you guys how to analyze the market and how you should get the daily interest. Okay? So now we'll start from here. This is the trade I had today. Amazing. Remove everything. Okay, so what we normally do, we analyze dailies. So how I analyze was here. I put my high of the day and the low of the day, a candle. Yeah, this candle here is telling you bearish, so you should only look for bearish candle before you look for bullish. Okay, it depends where the candle is starting on the session. If the candle is started in this area, yeah, so then you should look for certain areas the market to come back in before it push back up, or certain levels the market to come back in before it become bullish. Or if the market started from this area, as you can see, the candle started here, push back down, and push all the way up, it came back and closed here. Yeah, I got on my 4-hour time. Market started here. You see, 11 o'clock, Asian session. In here, you got imbalance. 1 hour time frame. So now, this is the previous day. This previous day was obviously bearish candle. We need to only look for bearish candle, but we need this candle to go back in if there's imbalances or supply and demand in that area that you're thinking that the market might need to go back into. Okay? So this is how I was analyzing this market. Sorry guys, I'm tired because I've been up for very long, very late. I normally do this way now, okay? In this area, which I already know there's a fair value gap, this market needs to go back. First, what I do, I highlight my supply. And I make my supply all the way to this. Some people say, put your supply here, but I prefer putting it to wick. The last SPY candle to the wick that pushed all the way down and dragged it all the way here. Okay? So I need this market that started on today, Friday, to go back in this area. Even though it was bearish day, but before I look for a bearish position, I need this market to fill it in and fit it in and fix it itself before I get greedy and start chopping into any trades. You be patient, you make money. You start rushing and thinking, I'm going to miss the Asian session, I'm going to miss the London session, I'm going to miss US session. You're not missing anything. The money is there for you all the time. Just you wait. You'd rather save your money. You'd rather save your money, not lose money into any sessions, than losing money onto any session. So if you wait and your money is safe and you miss all these trades, at least you have your money. Your money is not being taken. You didn't take the trade. But once the market comes back into your area and you take a trade from here to this level, then you know your money is safe, because whatever you're risking from here this time, whatever you're risking is way smaller Then whatever you was gonna risk here, to here, to here, to here. But let's say now if you want to get in from this trade here, I'm gonna show you a long position. So let's say now you woke up in a London session, you said, I'm gonna take a trade here, put your stop loss where? Here, below the Asian low, and your target here, yeah? This one here, or this one here, which one is paying you more? Of course, this one is paying. So there's no need rushing, but the only way you can trade for this position here is for you to know the market's done change of character, come back into your demand or fair value gap, and then you can push it all the way here, and then you can, you know, make it smaller your stop loss. So your entry is not 1 hour time frame, your entry is 1 hour time frame. I mean 15-minute time frame, not 1 hour time frame. So what you do before you do that, you will highlight this day here. Forget about this now here. Asians are pushing up now. So this shows you here change of character. Already on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, remember that. Yes. When I go back on a shorter time frame, you will see it. So now I'll go to 15-minute time frame. Here, you see the market not just only break with wick, it broke this area with strong body. So your target is now here. You got fair value gap here, and you got supply. Look at this, guys. If you already know in a higher time frame, yeah, if you already know the higher time frame, you know this market needs to get back here before you start looking for sell position. But you don't want to obviously wait all this. You can analyze it within this day. You can analyze it within the day, within the session. And how you do that? Once you know this market push all the way till 7 o'clock US session, London session, from 11. I got a box within the Asian session, so I put it from 11 to whatever low it become. Till 7 o'clock in the morning, London session, whatever high position. So what did I do? I get the fib set from the lowest to all the way the highest 7 o'clock. Yes, look, 7 o'clock. So then what I do, I push it to all the way down like this. Yeah? But my main one is here, 7 o'clock, yeah? But that was the highest within the box. 7 o'clock, that was last bearish. That was the highest and that was the lowest, yeah? I need this market to normally get back into the discount levels of the Fibonacci. But if I already have a fair value gap and demand here, and already this area is also showing me the change of character. This area is showing me change of character. What I need to do then, I need to highlight this level. Okay. So this will be my supply that I need the market to come back in. See, so now I know this continue like this way, go up here, and then now 8 o'clock, London session is started. 8 o'clock now is coming back down. It literally only just touched the top of my box of demand. I need these candles to come into my discount lines, which is the little dots in my box in the middle. See, that candle here, 9:45 in the morning, is going to be your entry. Where is your stop loss? Literally below this week here, or even this week here if you want to see more safe. Yeah? Even if this market comes back down, remember guys, we got the nice fib here from the lowest to the highest, and if the market does continue breaking, sometimes it could come into this discount and continue. Sometimes it could come to this level and then continue. So if you want to be more safe, you can put your stop loss even below here and then aim to this level. Yeah. Now, if you look at here, the trade that I set here earlier, it is 1 to 5. And now this trade that you took here is nearly 1 to 6. So you see, if you be patient and you literally wait and you make sure you look at the areas that the market could come back into, you can always win massive, massive, massive profits. Okay? So this is one. From Asian, like Fib, I said to you, once you highlight your low and the highest and the lowest of your previous candle day, and this is obviously happening wherever area the previous candle is starting from, either here or from there, you need to look for fair value gap and supply or demand, wherever you think the market might come back into, and then you can set your trade up from there or follow towards that area where you think the market's going to more likely go back into, with this kind of clear information, confirmation as well. Okay, we will go back on, once we already have that one, we're going to go back on this day here. That was the lowest and that was the highest. Okay, now this trade here, already Asian session took the liquidity of the previous day. Okay, so now the market pushed down in the London session, and then it pushed back up, and then it continued going down. Massive rejection, massive drop. I'll tell you now what. So now here, you got your fib from the highest to where? 7 o'clock. Yes, like I said, look, to 7 o'clock, and then you drag this way. Okay? So now look, here, you know this market took the sell liquidity, previous sell side liquidity, but it didn't stay inside. It broke below, and candles are now start building up below the liquidity of the previous day. So now this market is going to be obviously continue going down. We need this market to come back in some levels around this area, and then to continue going down. But not only just here now. Look, we already highlighted an Asian high and Asian low from over the time. Obviously it started 11, but that was the highest and that was the lowest, 7 o'clock. So you always need to get the highest until 7 o'clock in the morning London session. Then you wait until this market come back into, look, there's a fair value gaps here and also your discount levels. But because in this area, before you just only focus on here, what you need to also look at the previous day, is there a supply or a fair value gap around this times? Yes, there is. So now we've got a fair value gap here, and we've got a small little one here, but we obviously ain't a big one. So that is all the boom. And then also on top of that, we've got our supply. So now when you highlight, when you push it here now, look, you've got your candle come in your supply area. It also showed you that it came into discount level area, it came all the way down, and it came into your supply, and this is beautiful. So what you do, you will set a trade here. You put your stop loss here. If you couldn't wait and not take the trade down there, and you normally take from this level, what you need to do then, you will wait, you hit your target here. This target could take you out this week, but what you need to do, you also got supply down there. You can literally make your stop loss above the supply, and then what you need to do is, so it was, and then aim this level. Okay, same also down. Why am I aiming all the way down here? Look, there's 1 to 9, but we don't want 1 to 9, guys. Don't get greedy. 1 to 5, 1 to 6. Just always look for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. You know, whatever you can get from here. Okay? Maybe sometimes 1 to 4. Okay? So what's that one? Give this. Get there. So you can also set a trade like that. But where would you, why do we think this area is where the market more likely to come back to? You go back on the higher time frame. Okay? When you go to the higher time frame, you can see here, already there's the liquidity on this day, or day was on the 17th, which is Thursday. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame, easy. So, no, actually, it's the day was already traded. So now we look at this day. You see there's a massive imbalance here. Massive imbalance here with highlight. No trade impact before. And then we have this here. And then on top of that, this is our supply. From all this. But remember, all this is the last supply here. We've got imbalance there, the last candle, the last candles. Push it all down here. You see, literally touched on this side. So you know where to put your target, because you already know the market, if it's going to drop down, and I was telling you bearish on the previous day, you can aim all the way down here on top of the demand. You go back into your 15-minute time frame, and boom, you hit your target. Okay? If you guys want me to go back on one more, I can go back and for you for one. Because I'm literally getting tired now. It's late. So now here is the previous day, which is what, Tuesday, and we need, this market is telling the bearish. Is it? Check. Yeah, that day. So on Tuesday, the 15th of October, the market is telling us bearish. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. I'm not taking all this stuff out because I just want to make sure you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this day, we go small letter, already 4 hour time. Okay. Then you go to your 1 hour time. Yeah, so now the Asian style. Remember what I said to you guys, your fib game had to be spot. You get your fib now. Your highlight from the top, 7 o'clock, which is here. Yeah, it's not dragging in. So again, like I said, look, you got 7 o'clock, the market came all the way down here. London started 8 o'clock in the morning. Break down a little bit with the lowest of the 7 o'clock candle, and then you push back all the way down here to your discount levels of your fib, but it went all the way down to 1, because you know why? Okay, because you know why. You can't just say, okay, I'm going to take a trade here. You need to fill it in these fair value gaps, okay? Which you already did before. Continue going down. They came back in again, number 2. So this is the one you need to, don't enter from this level. You need to wait until it comes back in. But we are in a 1 hour time frame. Remember, our entry is 15-minute or 30-minute, 15-minute or 5. Okay? So now we look for supply. Now we think the market might come back. Last bullish time. Here. I do not like to just keep it here. I like to cover all to the wick. Some people say leave the body to here. Sometimes people do it. Sometimes people do it to here. For me, I like to be nice and safe. Cover all this. So I know once I highlighted my Asian high and low, then I know this market needs to come back into it. discount fib area, and you need to come back here. But where is more likely to come back into? I'd rather miss the market continue going. I'd rather miss if the market continue going and save my money. But at least if it comes back to my place, I know I will make nice money. I'll be catching beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fucking money. Target. So now once the market come back in here, I can literally either take here, soon it touch that supply, or to my discount dots. So I'll take it from here. Put my stop loss literally off here, and then my target is gonna be, where's that? 1 to 6. We are killing it, guys. You literally follow it in that way, trust me, you will make money. If there's anything that obviously you don't understand, or if you want me to make more videos like this for you guys to understand, please leave a comment and I will make sure I make another video till you guys understand. Okay, see you next time.